Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking crypto, we're going to be talking Bitcoin and the 7 best Bitcoin and crypto affiliate programs that will make you money in 2023. I'll run through the 7 different sites that you can actually join as an affiliate and then recommend to other people, and you will get commissions based on the actions they take on all these different sites. So without further ado, let's jump across and we'll run through the 7. They're in no particular order, so make sure you stay tuned right to the end so you can then go and join all the affiliate programs for free and start earning cash with these programs. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at in our list of best 7 Bitcoin and crypto affiliate programs to join, and this is called AMG Crypto, which is a cloud mining site. Now, of course, the great thing about AGM Crypto is you get a $12 sign up bonus immediately after you create an account, and every user that has a unique referral link, any user who signs up with that referral link will become a lifetime referrer. So in other words, you're going to earn commissions for life. Okay. Now you can earn up to 50% commissions on all the trading fees of successful trades, and this will be added to your account balance instantly. Now, OGM Crypto has also developed an additional reward system. So if you reach a certain number of personal invited active referrals, you will receive a one-time fixed bonus of up to $3,000. So the pros, obviously, it's a well-known platform with high credibility. It offers obviously a free way to earn Bitcoins and get a $12 bonus after signing up. Has daily payouts with instant withdrawal processing. Has a beginner-friendly user interface, popular and well established, accessible for a global audience, and a great support team. High commissions are given directly with no upper limit for life. Now, the only disadvantage with this one is that it will only actually do Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, LCT, and USDC BHT transactions. So it is limited on the transactions. Okay, the second one we're going to talk about, and that is Binance. Now, most people have probably heard of Binance if you're in the crypto community, but again, this is actually one of the best sites for also earning money as an affiliate. So Binance referral program debuted with tempting a 50% incentive on Bitcoin trading fees. However, the commissions for referrals was lowered to 20% in 2018. But Binance has obviously rolled up a deal that doubles your trading fee if you have 500 BNB or more in your account. So Binance uses its own in-house affiliate network, and there's an application you need to fill in to join with the 50% commission tier throughout. Although this is somewhat strict requirements and a manual approval process is in place. Now, it says influencers must have at least 5,000 followers on one of the social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, etc. to qualify. If you're on other sites such as Reddit, Telegram, Discord, you would have to have at least 500 members in one of those community groups. So the pros with Bitcoin, there's plenty of cryptocurrency options to promote. There are detailed reports, and they have a reliable affiliate program tracker. Now, the cons are at the making of this actual video is it's not available in the US. It has an in-house affiliate program and it manually approves the process. Third one we're going to look at is Coinbase. And again, Coinbase is well known within the crypto space. But let's just quickly go through all the pros and cons. Obviously founded back in 2012, and it was obviously to promote decentralized currencies and create an equal world. In terms of their actual crypto affiliate program, you can earn a percentage of your referrals trading fees. You do have to apply for the program by filling out a form, but once approved, you can start promoting using your custom affiliate link. So when your referrals actually sign up for their own Coinbase account and make a payment, then you will get 50% of their trade fees. Do keep in mind that recurring payments are only for the first 3 months. And you only have a 30-day cookie on your actual affiliate link as well. So that means someone would have to join within 30 days of clicking on your actual link. So the pros, obviously, it's an intuitive affiliate marketing software behind the company. It's got a great community response, which is good. The cons, obviously, a referral rate drops after first 3 months. You have limited affiliate payment options, and you also have a limited timeline for referral commissions, e.g., the 30 days. So the fourth one we're going to look at, and this is called Paxful. So again, it's joined the leading peer-to-peer platform to buy and sell Bitcoin using 350 plus payment methods with 10 million people just like you. Very well situated within the actual crypto space. Obviously, the Paxful affiliate program offers you a chance to earn money by promoting Paxful to the network of contacts. Now, when one of your direct affiliates actually makes a trade, you can earn up to 50%, okay, of the escrow fee as commission. And you can earn 10% of the escrow fee if one of your direct affiliates referrals makes a transaction. So that is the one main pro with the Paxful affiliate program. You've got 2 tiers of lifetime commissions. So that means you get paid down not only your direct referrals, but their direct referrals as well. The cons again, you obviously have an in-house affiliate marketing software, and your cash out is only $10 worth of Bitcoin. So the next one we're going to look at, and that is Coin Mama. And again, you can buy and sell crypto easily on this friendliest crypto exchange. Again, Coin Mama was born back in 2013 as a brokerage for people looking to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. But since it's expanded so that you can actually also buy other cryptocurrencies as well, such as Ripple and Cardano and Litecoin, etc. Now, there are brokerage fees that they do actually charge. So in dollars and cents, the additional brokerage fees are around about 6%. So the pros with using Coin Mama is obviously you can create text links and banners for affiliates. So they've got loads of affiliate tools, which is great. They've also got a great community response. Payouts are only made once a month, which is one of the downsides, and you will only receive payout if you have at least 3 orders from 3 different referrals. So this could be a factor until you've actually built up quite a few people in your team as to whether you're going to get paid out on a regular basis. So be aware of that. So the sixth one we're going to look at is Paybis. Buy Bitcoin with credit card and debit card, based in the UK, and they've got an excellent star rating on Trustpilot. Features include worldwide access, round-the-clock support, low commissions, fast security checks, which is great to get you up and running, and they're one of the industry-leading security sites. And they also do instant payouts. So their affiliate program offers a percentage-based revenue share to its affiliates. So it's slightly different to all the others. There is also up to 3 levels of traffic and rank, allowing users to earn money from their website referrals. It is a 100% legit program that pays out hundreds of dollars per month to their affiliates' efforts. Now, you will see that the affiliate commissions is 20%. It does have excellent customer support, great community response, and affiliate payment methods of Bitcoin and cash, which is available as well. Now, the cons to obviously this one is can be that it only actually gives you Bitcoin or cash to pay out. And the only other thing is, like I said at the beginning, it is only available in the UK, this one. So that's Paybis. So the last one we're going to talk about is Storm Game. And this is an app and a website that is obviously very well known in the crypto space. And you get the chance to earn up to $1,200 CPA by promoting Storm Game, which might help you get started with the company's affiliate program. Affiliates can earn up to 50% on their referrals' gross revenue, and the platform uses a variety of options to choose from: Forex, stocks, CFDs, and all the major markets like Australia, Canada, and China. Because of this, affiliates may find it easier to funnel in referrals who are looking for a flexible platform. And you can also get cash out of the affiliate payment methods. Now, the pros with Stormgain is that you can obviously get instant withdrawal process. Now, the only thing is, storm gain is unregulated in most countries. Although it might be available, it's unregulated. So just be aware of that. No protection for obviously investors, and it has a limited research tools as well. Okay, trust you found those useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button here. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.